Pandy's peeps. Hey, Pandy's peeps.
Hey Pandy's peeps, Pandy here of Pandy's Hair Candy and more. This video is going to be a bit unorthodox, a little bit all over the place and kind of weird, but I had to put it out because I did have a couple of people reach out to me and they were asking questions about how to live stream using just the avatar on StreamYard. So rather than me trying to explain it without giving you any type of visual, I attempted to share my screen and connect with multiple devices so that you could see it visually. And again, keep in mind, guys, I am not at all a professional. I simply dibble and dabble. I get on there and I try it, and it's either a hit or a miss. And I know that a lot of us have been working with StreamYard and multiple third party streaming apps for a long time, so it's like second nature to us. But we have to be mindful that there are a lot of new content creators coming on the scene, and also a lot of older content creators who have just never experimented with StreamYard. So, I am putting this video up for those of you who have asked. I'm simply showing you where you log into your StreamYard in the back office, how there is a tab there at the bottom that says Start Cam, Stop Cam. You are simply clicking on that to turn your camera off, and whatever photos you have uploaded will then be your avatar picture. Otherwise, just a little blank figurine, the white figurine will come up because you don't have any pictures. But that's it. You simply click on it there, and then your little photo pops up there into the circle, and you can complete your broadcast just like that. Give it a more of a podcast feel, and you go from there. So I do apologize because it is me logged in on multiple devices. That is why it pulled up so many images. So I apologize for that. I don't have all that techie equipment. I am a small YouTuber, for crying out loud, but I am trying to answer your question and assist you where I can. So hopefully that helps you to at least get that part, because I know sometimes it comes in really handy to go ahead and get some content out on the whim. And you may not have your hair done, or you may just not be feeling like coming on camera. This is a great option. All right, y'all. I'm Pandy of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. Take care, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I'll see you all in the next video. Good night.